Ever found yourself staring down at a broken toilet flange, wondering how on earth you're going to fix it? Well, you're not alone. But fear not, because today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can tackle this job like a pro. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's talk preparation. Choosing the right toilet for your bathroom is crucial. Trust me, I've been there. A taller, elongated toilet not only provides comfort, but also makes replacing the flange a whole lot easier. And let's face it, they look way better too. Now, on to identifying issues with your existing toilet flange. Sometimes the problem isn't just the flange itself. It could be a cracked PVC pipe or a faulty wax ring. So before you start ripping things apart, do some investigating to pinpoint the issue. First things first, shut off the water supply and remove the toilet. Then, carefully assess and remove the old flange. It's a messy job, but someone's got to do it. With the old flange out of the way, it's time to install the new one. Make sure it's centered and level and secure it to the floor. Then, carefully lower the toilet back into place and tighten those bolts. Voila! You're one step closer to a fully functional bathroom.
At Anthem Air Conditioning and Plumbing, your comfort and safety is our priority. Serving the Coachella Valley, our experienced and friendly professionals provide trusted HVAC and plumbing services. From thorough repairs to installation and maintenance, we're dedicated to delivering honest and responsive solutions with respect for your time and home. We keep you informed through every step so you know what to expect. Experience the difference. Call Anthem Air Conditioning and Plumbing today.
All right, we're in the home stretch now. Reconnect the water supply, flush the toilet a few times to check for leaks, and make sure that wax ring is seated perfectly. A good seal is key to preventing any future mishaps.
One of the most important parts of your home's efficiency and comfort is the insulation. Oftentimes, we don't think about our insulation because it's behind walls and in ceilings, but it adds so much value to your home. If your home is 10, 15, 20 years old, or you've had work up in your attic, there's a good chance your insulation has been disturbed. You may need to update your insulation or get even all new insulation. The more insulation you have, the more healthy your home's gonna be, the less energy it's gonna be, and the more comfortable your house is going to be. But how do you find out if your insulation needs to be updated? Well, we have a solution, giving you the information you need to make a good, sound decision. Click below or call us at Anthem Air Conditioning, and we'll take care of your air conditioning and insulation needs.
And there you have it, folks. With a little know-how and a can-do attitude, you can tackle even the messiest of plumbing jobs. So next time you're faced with a faulty flange, don't panic. You've got this. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, when it comes to DIY, there's nothing you can't handle. Until next time, happy plumbing.